Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, with me, Miss Leila Sada, teacher in this video. I will give you material for the student in 7th grade. Actually, for the second semester, the material is adjective. I guess that you are familiar with adjective, but I think you don't know more about adjective. So, in this video, I will explain you more about the definition, the function, and then the types of adjective. Let's begin. Don't forget to make a note in pen or in paper. Please pay attention and listen carefully. So, what the definition of adjective? Adjective is a word that describes the nature of an object by providing information about object size, shape, age, skin color, origin, or material. Next, types of adjective. There are 8 types of adjective. The first is comparative adjective. Second, superlative adjective. Third, possessive adjective. 4. Common adjective. 5. Past participle. 6. Article. 7. Demonstrative adjective. 8. Interrogative adjective. But in this video, I just give you explanation half of the types of adjective. Therefore, is comparative, superlative, possessive, and common. For the number 5 till 8, I will make a video the next about them, and I will explain more about the several adjectives. I will explain one by one about the types of adjective. The first is comparative adjective. It is a word to compare one thing to another or one person to another. And then the second is superlative adjective. It's a word to express the highest in a group or the most special in a group. And the third is possessive adjective. It's a word to describe who owns an object. And then the fourth is common adjective. It is a word that purely adjective without adding some word or etc. But it's purely adjective. Now, comparative adjective. So, what the features are the linguistic element to conduct or to make example of comparative adjective. It is adding a word, adding more, or add or er in the last word to comparing the thing or the person to another, and then we put a word then. So the structure is subject and then verb and then the adjective with more, or the adjective or noun plus er, and after that put word then. For example, rabbit is faster than turtle. Please underline rabbit is faster. It is word plus er and adding then before turtle. So rabbit is faster than turtle. And another example is Sheila more diligent than Rosa. Now, for this example, using more to comparing Sheila and then Rosa. What the adjective to compare them? It's using diligent, more diligent than. That's the word to compare Sheila and Rosa. The next is superlative. The structure of superlative is using most. We should add most and est in the last word to express the biggest or the highest in a group. For example, Toby is the biggest cat that I have. So it's explain or give information that Toby is the biggest. They are fat cat that I have. So it means that I have several cats, but Toby is the biggest cat. Or another example is Robert is most handsome in my class. It means that Robert is most. It means that handsome than a friend other in my class. So we should put most in the sentence. For the possessive adjective, there are some rules. We know from the subject. For the I, use my, and then you, we use your. For he, we use his. For she, we use her. For it, we use its. And then for we use our. For yours, we use yours, your, and then the last for they, we use their. For example, it's my shoes. So it means that this shoes it's mine. That I have. I have a shoes, and this is I have. And the another example is yesterday I go to Dina's house and I left my book and at her house. There are two possessive adjectives in the sentence. It's my book and her house. Is it clear? As is common adjective. So I put several most common adjectives. It is good, bad, new, important, happy, sad, big, small, high, large, young, old, sun, different, red, black, and etc. And I will give you an example. Here It's important to be here with you. Please underline important. Important is adjective in this sentence. It's important to be here with you. And for the another example, I have a black bag. So the adjective is black. Okay, that's all for my explanation about adjective. And I will make a video later for the explanation to the number 5 and till number 8. Please stay tuned in my video. And for the assignment, I hope you can make an example. You can choose one of the 4 that I explained before. You can make comparative, superlative, possessive, or common adjective, or you want to make a sentence conduct four of them. Is it okay? It is okay, but don't forget to post in Instagram and tag me at Faila16. After you take me, I will see your excitement, and I will give you feedback in the comment column. And then I hope you can understand the material, and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.